Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel VEDANGAS. This is Amit, accompanied with my co-partner Sumit. So guys, we are back with a new video with the important questions of RDBMS from Osmania University syllabus. This video is related to bcom computer 3rd semester syllabus. As we know, 3rd semester and 5th semester of Osmania University examinations are going to be held from 24th of March 2021. So we uploaded this video of 3rd semester first, and later we will also upload all the subject related important questions videos of 3rd semester and 5th semester. So guys, stay tuned and also watch our video and like our video and also subscribe to our channel. So let's see the questions related to this. So guys, thank you for watching the video. So if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates, and also like our video. Thank you. Have a nice day.